In this video, I will show you how to add fonts in Figma. So the first step is to simply open any browser and then simply search for Figma download. And then you're gonna have to simply click on the first link, which is this one here. Then you're gonna get redirected here. So what you're gonna have to do is simply install Figma on your Windows or Mac OS. So I'm gonna choose Mac OS because I'm using this. And after that, you're gonna have to open it. So let me install it really fast just to show you the entire process. So after you install Figma, what you're gonna have to do is simply open again a new tab, and then you're gonna have to simply search for the font, or if you have any other websites where you can download free fonts, you can do that. So you're gonna have to simply look for the font that you want to install on Figma, and then you're gonna have to simply click on download. And as you can see here, so let me go here. As you can see, I have the font right here, so I can simply double click on it to unzip it, and here I have the .ttf file. So here is the extension, here is the font. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply open Figma. So let me open Figma on my computer, and then you're gonna be able to install your fonts completely free. So let me wait until this loads up so I can show you the entire process. So as you can see, I have here Figma. Then you're gonna have to either create your account or log in browser. So I'm gonna do that really fast. And after that, we can continue with the process of installing. So let's open the desktop app, which is this one here. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply open a new Figma file, and let's say I want, so let me add some text here, and let's type in hello, and let's change the size. So let me go here to layers. I'm gonna delete this. Let's add a new one here, hello, and then you're gonna have to simply go here, and then you're gonna have to choose your font. As you can see, you have all the fonts here that you can choose from. Now if you want to basically install a font, so if you go to install by you, here as you can see, I don't have any font. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open the font folder, and then simply double click on it, and as you can see, you're gonna see here the font preview. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on install, and basically that should be it. So let's see if we have it here. So we have Coffee Spark. This is the font that we just installed. So the process is the same on Windows. So if you have a Windows computer, you're gonna have to simply double click on it and then simply click on install. And now we should have the font right here. So let me try again. So let's change the font here. So let's close this. So as you can see, I don't find it. So let's close Figma, and now let's reopen it. So let me reopen it, and then we should have our new installed font. So let's double click, and as you can see, we have it right here. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.